What's popping, OG Squad? I am back with another video. If you're new, you know what to do. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share it with all your friends, your family. And today's video, I am going to paint in my Polaroid camera. As you can see, I did a little bit of sketching on it just to see like what I wanted to do. But the things you're gonna need are just acrylic paint, varnish just for the end. Obviously you can use a gloss or a matte finish, and you're also gonna need water for your paint, but you don't really need to use all of water. So yeah, let's get into this video. I hope you guys enjoy. By the way guys, I'm sorry for not uploading these past few weeks. It's just been crazy. Corona has taken over, and yeah, this is just so weird. But what are you guys doing right now? Like quarantining yourselves? Like what are you doing? I don't know. I'm just like so bored. But hopefully I'll be uploading more videos, and I think I would have more creative videos when I'm not going to school, so yay for me. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and yeah. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I started out with a sketch, and what I used to do this was just regular pencil, and I'm just going over it with paint now. Yeah, any tips would just be to use white as a base if you're going to be using a lighter color, for example light pink, baby blue, stuff like that. You can just use white as a base, and it'll really help bring out the vibrance of the color. And yeah, basically this is just me following my design and just hoping it'll come out good, you know. Let's pray guys, let's pray. So guys, right now I'll just be adding a few details just to give it some substance and just make it pop a little bit more. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe, give it a big thumbs up of course, and comment what you think. Comment if you'd ever do this, if you have one of course. And yeah, I'll just be showing you guys a view of what it actually looks like in the next clip.